Hello guys from my street Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today it's an amazing video because I'm going to show you every style of pizza that I made on my channel. So we are going to see together the Neapolitan style pizza, the Detroit style, Chicago style, New York style, every style of pizza really that I made over these years of YouTube, which means 10 years. And then I'm here to review this with you and explain you every details on each style of pizza. And comment below which style of pizza you prefer. I would love to see your comment. So let's go ahead and let's start. Here we go. We are making the Detroit style right now. Like you can see, we have to use a pan to be able to make a nice Detroit style. It's like kind of a focaccia that we are going to see later on today. So pay attention and make it at the same level. Not too thin, not too thick, just press. And then now guys, one more time. Voila, 2 hours pass by. Woo! Take a look how much air is inside.
Yeah. A lot of cheese.
Go with the cheese.
A lot of cheese.
You go with the cheese. I'm scared with the cheese.
Oh,
go for it. Like you can see guys, did you see the tomato? This is a typical for Detroit style, is the tomato sauce on top of the cheese and the dough. So this is gonna make a really good texture. One shot, boom. Oh, there we go. Take a look of this pizza. Wow, guys, did you see? This is one of my favorite style of pizza, Detroit style. Okay, guys, this is gonna be super interesting. It's my next level pizza, which is the real, authentic, contemporary pizza, Neapolitan style. And this is my favorite one. We put a little bit of salami, spicy, pinch it, and boom, peel under. Let's make this pizza 12 inches. Pizza dough, ready to rock and roll. Oh my God. Boom, baby! Woo! And voila, guys, the Neapolitan pizza. Look at the crust of this pizza, is insane. The look. When you want to surprise someone, this is the pizza. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I want to hear. I mean, take a look inside. Soft, crunchy, the perfect texture, holds himself. Take a look. Now is the time. Here we go. This is another style of pizza typical from Roma, the pizza Romana in Teglia, which is one of the most crunchy pizza in the market up there. Insane texture. Oh, I'm very curious on this step right now. What are you gonna do? A little bit of olive oil. Wow. Let's go ahead. Let's put it in the oven. Okay, this is typical for this pizza, is to part bake the pizza to be able to have the crust super crunchy. Take a look of the pizza. Wow, did you see the look of this pizza? It looks super crunchy and full of air. Here we go, guys. This is the Chicago deep dish style pizza, which is not one of my favorite because it gets too fat. Once you eat one slice of this pizza, you get super fat. But I had to make it to show you the Chicago deep dish pizza. Here we go, enjoy. This is the time to get ready with the pan. Let's get a little bit of butter. Now what I like to do is to put some Parmesan cheese. Let's get the pan, let's measure, and it have to be bigger than the pan. Let's put the dough inside, just like that. Here we go. Like you can see here, I'm basically putting all the toppings inside this pizza because after we are going to fill it up like with double dough. That's why it gets super heavy, this pizza, with tomato sauce on top. I mean, it's amazing, but not my favorite one. Love to Papa! Wow! Here we go, the pizza is ready. Like you can see, it's full of cheese. Looks amazing, but heavy. Okay guys, this gets interesting because this is one of the pizzas that I grew up to, the Bari Style. And here we are with my cousin Claudio and made this Bari Style pizza. We are about to see the Bari Style from my cousin pizza place, which is really an authentic Bari Style pizza because we grew up with this. So let's go ahead and let's see how a real Bari Style pizza is made. Really thin crust, amazing. Fantastic, and then we cook it in the oven. This magical oven is a gas oven. Okay, pizzas are ready. Okay guys, this is a focaccia, a typical, well, it's not a really typical focaccia from Puglia because nobody makes it like that. This is my invention. I add the olives inside the dough. So this is gonna be a Vito style focaccia. So it's very important, those kind of pan. Go ahead and put it in the pan. Look at this, it's nice, it's puffy. It's full of air, I can feel it. Il pomodoro vai scattato sopra la focaccia, means you break it and then put inside the focaccia. Let's go ahead, let's put this one on top, right there, and this one on the bottom. This one first, voila, oh my God. Here we go guys, this is the perfect focaccia that you can make, or pizza that you can make at home, because this it's perfect for cooking in the home oven. Here we go. Here we go, the texture of the focaccia. In this consistency here, it looks like the actual pizza. This is a pizza carb-free. It's made out of all cheese. It's insane. Watch this pizza. It's also my invention. Over the years, I created a pizza with no carbs. Insane. The cheese is nice and smooth, that's when it's actually ready. So let's check one more time. Let's make sure it's all nice and smooth. It is. Okay, so this is ready. We are stretching the pizza mozzarella as like the regular pizza. Insane, because the look, you don't really tell that this is cheese. It looks like a real mozzarella, and then I fill it up with amazing toppings. When we serve it to the table, it looks like a raw dough, and then people, they're gonna think, oh, what is this, a raw dough? Okay, here is insane, because I got this idea from, I do every morning my own pancakes. And then one day I say, oh, wait, I want to do a pizza pancakes. So I call this a liquid pizza. It's the same way how you make the pancakes, but we made the pizza. Insane, easy, super easy way to make a pizza at home. Actually, really, really good. Take a look, guys, and this is the pizza. Voila, like you can see, you have to spread this like with the gravity. Put the pizza in the oven. Let's go ahead and let's place the pizza in the middle rack, close. Just like I expected. Did you see the texture of this pizza? Is exactly like a pancakes. And now let's go ahead and let's finish up with the toppings. Now let's put the mozzarella cheese. Now we put some olives inside. Now let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. I'm excited to show you the result of this pizza. The pizza, it's lovely ready. Take a look of this pizza. Here we go, guys. This is a real Neapolitan pizza, the way how in Naples they used to make the pizza. S.t.g. means label guaranteed tradition. So tradition, label guaranteed, something like that. And that means that it's guaranteed there is Neapolitan pizza. So this is the style how they used to make it. This is the style how Neapolitan pizza should be, not the thick crust. And then we go with the cheese. The cheese also goes everywhere. So let's go ahead, let's get it. The pizza is the side of the peel, a little bit outside. And you see, this is not a big crust, this is a really nice in between Bari Style and Neapolitan crust. Here we go, let's go ahead and let's see the contemporary pizza. Now the opposite, we are going to see the thick crust, the style of pizza that is booming right now. We have to press gently the air to the crust, leaving 1 inch of the pizza. Then we press all the air and we keep it there. The crust needs to be full of air and not dough. Voila, we have 1 inch of dough. Now we flip it over. Again, we press all the air that is in the center to the crust. Gently, we do this technique. This way we don't touch the crust. The goal here is not touching the crust. Otherwise, we're gonna lose the air inside and we're not gonna have the nice puffy crust. The tomato sauce needs to be put inside hide the crust. We want to leave the crust free. Put basil everywhere and fresh mozzarella, all dry out. Put a little bit of flour, pinch, but be careful when you pinch, go under and then peel under like that. Put there, and then this pizza cooks a little bit slower. Okay, so you see the only way to make this pizza is cook it at a high temperature. If you want to make this texture at a home oven, it's not really possible to do it. So let's go ahead and let's continue. The texture of this pizza is, actually the look of this pizza is insane. You have the soft inside and the crunchy outside. And here everything stops. Guys, I'm here, Maestro Iacopelli beat the world record of the biggest pizza in the world. Take a look of this pizza and we get inside this video because it's insane what I did. Guys, here was 3 a.m. in the morning and we were preparing all the bases. Trust me, it was millions of bases, not millions, no, thousands of bases. And then you see, we put it all together and take a look the sides and the amount of ingredients that we put on these pizzas. Look the sides, see? This is the way I basically study how to cook this pizza because that was the biggest question. How we cook the pizza? Listen the ingredients that we put.
1,800 pounds of cheese, 13,000 pounds and 653 pounds of dough.
Tomato sauce,
4,948
pounds, and the pepperoni. Guys, the pepperoni is we count the pepperoni that was on the pizza. 1,260,992 pepperoni on the biggest pizza in the world. And this is the way how we beat the world record. Huge, huge pizza, the football field, insane. Did you hear how many pepperoni we put? Well, let's continue this video. From one side to the big side to the other side. We went in Naples now, and this is how in Naples they make the real pizza fritta. Enjoy this video because this is one of the most flavorful pizza in the market. So we put a little bit of ricotta on the middle.
Yeah.
Ciccoli. Break the ciccoli. Then mozzarella, black pepper, cooked tomato, yeah. That's the key. Now we close it. That's how you do it. Voila. Take off all the air from the inside. Voila. Gently go ahead and place it on the plate. Here we go. Look at this. It's like a balloon, like a soccer ball. And inside, here we go, all the ingredients. This is like a food porn for real. And here it gets very interesting. The sourdough, the Mother Yeast. I went to this guy in New York. He had this really, really old Mother Yeast over and over, generated by generation. We made this pizza today with this yeast. Insane. Did you see my face? I was super tired. I made like 600 pizzas right now, all with the sourdough mix. So now we are about to see the texture of this pizza. Like that, I'm gonna pull it on the peel. I'm gonna make a large, about 10 inches pizza. Go all the way inside, and then boom, one shot in the back. That's it. Thank you so much, Carmine. Voila, take a look, guys, how it is. Hold on, bye. I think this is the best dessert pizza in the entire world. A dessert pizza. This is really the best dessert pizza you can find on the market because first, the shape, and second, the flavor. Once you put this on the table, the people, the customers, your family, they're gonna go crazy. Those are the ingredients that I use for this pizza, and this is the shape. This is super easy, so cut straight. We do one, and then you measure like that, just the size of one spatula. So two, then voila, measure and cut, measure and cut. Let's get a little bit of Nutella, and we put the Nutella in between this cut. We put a little bit of nuts inside, get the point here, and then we go towards the inside, and then we pinch it. And then tac, 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 pinch the whole thing, and that's how we create a Nutella star. Melt the sugar, and then lightly with your finger, the two finger, go on top, just the 2 points. the whipping cream in the center, not too much. Guys, now take off your phone or put a screenshot of this pizza, because the beauty of this pizza is the most beautiful pizza I ever create. It's one of the most beautiful pizza that I ever create. So I'm super proud, because this pizza is the best good-looking pizza in the market.
And this is step one.
Okay, here, get a pen, write it down, or get in the car if you're in Los Angeles and go visit this guy, because Joe's Pizza makes the real best New York style pizza in the market. Enjoy this secret recipe. Oh, you imagine
Just slap.
a slap to olio. Voila, now we fix it right there. Okay, fantastic. Okay, now tomato sauce in the center, beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, now we got fresh mozzarella. Well, this is not fresh mozzarella, it's shredded cheese.
Shredded cheese.
Guys, look at the face of Joe. Joe was so upset because he didn't want to show us the secret. Wow! And here's the pizza. Fantastic New York style pizza. And now it's time to enjoy. I mean, look how light it is. And here we go. For the fit lovers like me, here is the Keto Pizza dough. Also my invention, and enjoy this recipe. You hold it, and one end you just roll the pizza down. Put it on top of your hands, and then we can go ahead and put it on the pan. Upside down, put it on the pan. We check the bottom. So a couple of scoops of tomato. Grab the meat that we cook and put it all over the place. And then we put all the cheese on top. Ready? Boom, baby! Made in the pan, no oven. Voila. Ooh. And here we go. Look at the texture, flavorful. And here we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, please, you tell me in comment which style of pizza you really like it, you really love it. And if you remade it, let me know in comments. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out all these videos. Links are all in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll see you every week with new video. Ciao from S.t.g. Iacopelli.